Okay, so this is the Big Blue Ox, and I'm going to see if I can get the weight to start. This is first start. It's a hot day. I don't know, it's got to be 70 degrees. Weight to start, light comes on. Neutral. And this thing is a piece of shit right now. Okay? This is what it's like starting this thing. Talk about dead and low compression. You can hear it trying. And it's a hot sunny day. Come on, I'm killing the starter, I know I am. And a big puff of smoke out the back. Okay. Runs fine once you get it running. Nice steady tack signal. Hear a little bit of whistle. But hang on. Okay, pause this. And here we have the black truck, which I'm going to work on today. Alright, let's see if I can do the same thing. I just got to do some work down here. You can see it's the overdrive switch and stuff, but okay, wait to start. And that's the way this one starts and runs. Yeah. And that is why I'm wanting to run this truck as opposed to the other one. Runs way better. As a matter of fact, hang on. Blow by? What blow by? And that's cold. Okay? Now we'll go back to the other truck. Just started this one a minute ago. This is the blue one. Do it again. Okay. Now, blue interior. Got the holes that I'm fixing. Blow by. Oh yeah. Just a bit. You can see the turbo on this one. You can see where it's pushing loose right there. There, it's just all over everything. But look at that. That's just disgusting. That's why this one's going to go by the way of the dodo. And here I just did some nice wiring again. Typical. Interior's in okay shape. I mean, it really is. I like my mirror, but honest to God, I really can't take that start. And then there's times I have to start this thing at the racetrack to get on the track and pick people up, and it just doesn't work. Once it's run for a bit, great, starts great. Anyway, that's kind of a quick and dirty comparison.